What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Robert and I'm gonna be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. For today's video, we got these Air Max 1s, the Patta waves, the white colorway, and man, these things are looking trash. A little fun fact about them, they're actually the owner and founder of Reshoevn8r, Steve Greer's, aka Mr. Reshoevn8r. So it's only right we reshoevenate these things using our signature shoe cleaning kit. With all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's hop straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. Before we hop into this cleaning, if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We post videos every week, 2 times to be exact. Monday, we got restorations and customs with our dude, Vic Almighty. And then every Thursday, Shoe Care Academy. You're gonna see videos like this, as well as any other your favorite sneakers, from the hypest things, all the way down to the On Clouds, Hokas, you name it. Matter of fact, if there's a video you guys haven't seen, comment down below and let us know. We'll get that thing on for you next week. Like I said, these are Mr. Reshoevn8r's personal sneakers. He actually went on a trip to Canada. He went dirt bike riding, a bunch of outdoor shenanigans and activities. And as you can see, these things are looking terrible, like a 2-year-old. So we're gonna bring them back using our signature shoe cleaning kit. All the products that you see in this kit are gonna be all 3 of our brushes, solution, towel, shoe trees, laundry bag. And we're also gonna have some other products like our cleaning mat, as well as our dry rack bowl combo. But we'll get more into that later in the video. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this left shoe, set that aside, set this down, and we can get started. All right, now that we got our cleaning station prepped with all the tools that we are gonna be using, let's go and talk about the materials on this sneaker. This shoe consists of several different materials. It has mesh, leather, cracked leather to be exact, suede, rubber. So it's only right we get the best possible clean and really flush out all these trapped in stains. Some challenges I just want to point out from the jump is gonna be this cracked leather. It's actually notorious for getting dirt just stuck inside that, which is why the laundry system should help us flush all that out. But first things first, we can go ahead and just grab our 4-ounce solution and squirt it inside our bowl of water. All right, we got our bowl of water in solution already. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and insert our adjustable shoe tree and then remove these laces. Our shoe trees will adjust up to a size 14. Basically, you just wanna know the size of the sneaker. I think Mr. Reshoevn8r, he's an 11. So you're gonna put that about the 3rd hole back. Gonna go ahead and just put it in like so. And then bang. Now I got that nice hard toe box. I could really apply as much pressure as I need to throughout this cleaning process, as well as when I'm scrubbing on this mesh. It's not just gonna fold in, it's gonna help with the form and integrity and do a whole bunch of good things. Now the laces, as I'm removing these laces, I see just a bunch of dirt just flying out. So I think once I remove them, we're gonna go step outside and really dry brush, get all this loose dirt off. That way I'm not pushing it deeper into the mesh, as well as nubuck, as well as this cracked leather. There we go, let's go ahead and get those things in there. Let's just have them soaking throughout the cleaning process. And as you can see, my fingers are filthy. Let's go step outside. All right, as you can see, this dirt is caked on in there. So thank God for our laundry system. I'm sure it's really gonna flush out these things. But right now, let's go ahead and start with our pre-treatment using all 3 brushes, solution, and a towel. As you saw, we used our soft brush to dry brush the shoe and get off most of that loose dirt and grime. But now we're gonna go ahead and start the cleaning process using this brush. We generally recommend using the soft brush just because it generates the most bubbles, gets the shoe all suddy, and really breaks down that dirt and grime. But for this shoe specifically, it has this premium mesh, and using like some regular generic brush, it may fray or snag this material, but don't trip. With the soft bristle brush from Reshoevn8r, you'll be straight. All right, I am all done with a quick pass using our soft bristle brush. I'm gonna jump to our medium brush just to get a deeper clean. However, before I do that, I really wanna take care of this sock liner. So I'm gonna remove our adjustable shoe tree and get on that. Since there's a lot of loose dirt on the insole, let me go ahead and just brush some of this off, and then we can go ahead and use our soft bristle brush to get a deep clean on this as well. All right, the soft brush took care of the insole as well as the sock liner. It's looking a lot better. I know the laundry system is really gonna flush out all those trapped in stains, but right now we can get straight into our medium bristle brush and tackle some of those deeper stains that we're still seeing on the sneaker as well as the midsole. So let's get it, let's go. All right, there it is. I am all done with the medium bristle brush. There's a few things I want to point out. At the beginning of the video, I thought this shoe had a nubuck. That was because the tongue through the laces, I just thought it was kind of more of like a nubuck material. However, throughout this cleaning process, I'm feeling this, and it's more of like a synthetic leather. It's actually the same material that wraps around the mud guard and all around the shoe for the waves. Again, I'm not quite sure what it is. It's not your typical leather. It kind of has like a 3M glimmer and glisten to it. However, I don't think it's quite 3M as well. So again, just wanted to point that out. That material is trapping in and getting a lot of stains. We were able to get most of them off, but right now we could jump into our stiff bristle brush. As you can see, I'm using the stiff bristle brush to scrub the sole of this sneaker. Our stiff bristle brush is the stiffest brush in our arsenal, and it is literally designed for your soles and non-painted midsoles. You really just gotta keep scrubbing. You don't have to use too much pressure, just let the brush do the work, and you're gonna get some good results every time. As always, the stiff bristle brush did its job, but right now I'm just gonna set this shoe aside and we're gonna focus on the laces that have been brewing in our solution and water mix throughout the whole cleaning process. All you really gotta do is just move them back and forth with your fingertips, scrub them just a little bit to get some of those suds to start generating, then put in between your hands and just start scrub-a-dub-dubbing. If you are seeing any deeper stains, you can always grab the soft bristle brush. The brush is super fine and delicate where it's not gonna fray or snag your shoelaces. Now that I scrubbed out some of those deeper stains, I could kind of wring out some of the extra water and suds. Another pro tip, what you can do is just grab your microfiber towel and just wring it out like so. And that is pretty much gonna wrap things up for the pre-treatment of this sneaker. Again, we used all three brushes, broke down the dirt and grime, used a towel to help buff off some of those deeper stains. Now we just gotta put it inside our sneaker laundry bag and wash in the washing machine. Before I do that though, I wanna talk a little bit about this sneaker. As we know, it's an Air Max 1, but it's Patta's take on it with the waves. As you can see, it's not the traditional Air Max 1. This is actually one in 6 different colorways. They have the blue, the orange, the white, the black, the maroon, and I think they got maybe like a brownish colorway or something. They may even have some more exclusive friends and family, but this one is definitely at the top of the list. My personal favorite colorway is actually the blue. I was lucky enough to hit on sneakers, but at that time I wanted the orange colorway because it just matched with a hat better, but the blue, after sitting on it in years past, that is definitely the best colorway of this sneaker. But I wanna know from you guys, what is your favorite Patta Air Max 1? Let us know in the comment section down below. While you guys are doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and close this bag like so. Insert our sneaker laundry detergent, and I'm off to the washing room. All right, y'all, we are in the room with the laundry machine. Now we're just gonna go ahead and put this in the washer, wash with cold water on a normal cycle. Should last about 45 to 50 minutes. Every washing machine is different, but again, the general rule of thumb is cold water in normal cycle. All right, again, we're gonna let this wash for about an hour. Then we are gonna let it air dry in a well-ventilated area, and I'll see y'all before you know it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We did go and let this sneaker 100% dry, and I'm very, very happy with these results. However, there is one thing I want to point out. Unfortunately, around this toe box, it looks like Mr. Resjuvenator did get some scrapes and scuffs that are just permanent, just to him dirt biking or mountain biking or whatever he was doing. Mr. Resjuvenator was Mr. Adventurous in an all-white shoe, but luckily, Resjuvenator came through. One thing I also want to mention is this cracked leather. That was actually my biggest concern throughout this cleaning process. I really thought it was going to get stuck and trapped in there. However, the laundry system did its thing and really flushed it out. Right now, we can go ahead and get these shoes laced up so I can sign on out of here. Yes, sir, we got our sneakers all laced up. But for you guys to really see how well we did, let me go and just grab this dirty one and get that in the frame. And there it is. As you can see, the results speak for itself. Reshoevn8r has done it again. We achieved these results using our signature shoe cleaning kit paired with our sneaker laundry detergent. We also used a couple other products to help with this cleaning. That's gonna be our cleaning mat, as well as our dry rack bowl combo. All these products and more are available at reshoevn8r.com. So make sure you guys hit that link in the bio. We got a little promo code in there to save you guys some dollar bills. But there it is. That is gonna do it. That is gonna officially wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Patta Air Max 1s. We could have used any one of the Pattas and we would have got these same results. If you guys want to test us, we actually got the orange pair. I'll put it up somewhere up there. We cleaned them as well and them things cleaned up great. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know the vibe. My name's Rob. I'll see y'all in another one. Peace.